It's another view here of the back of the house. Volcano, out in Mountwood Park, West Virginia. Here you can see the cistern, rather deep, and up there was the gardener's residence and a fruit cellar, and then the mansion's up in there. And they said all this would have been cleared out of here at the time of the Thornhill people lived here. Here was the barn, foundation for the barn. They said this was really isolated, and it was at such an isolated location that it was like self-sufficient. Their own crops, cattle, the works. I'm standing here at Thornhill, this is in Mountwood Park. This is the mansion here, or the foundations. What's left here? You can read right here. You can see all the outlying houses here, or buildings. A bio here of William Cooper Stiles. Volcano was an oil company. There's the old porch. Beautiful area up and through here. There's pileated woodpeckers all over the place. Although I haven't seen any today. Here we see a cellar, part of Volcano here. The cellar is a wine cellar or for foodstuffs. Here's the sidewalk here. We're going up. Down there are the steps. I rode a bike up here today. You can see here, this will have all been cleared of all these trees, except for a few. It says a panoramic view of Volcano. Must have been the chug-chug of power, the engines powering the cables, pumping systems marked the daily cadence of life of Volcano. Once again, the ruins of the mansion. So big, but this is the caretaker's house here. Foundation is about probably about a half mile over that way is Thornhill, but you can just see the